In the last class, we explored recreation as an active leisure sport, fostering physical, mental, emotional, and social growth. Aims encompass relaxation, skill development, fitness, and enjoyment. Today, we'll delve into the significance of food in our class discussion. Food, a vital substance, not only fuels the body but also plays a crucial role in maintaining health and well-being. The 6 classes of food: carbohydrates, proteins, fats and oils, mineral salts, vitamins, and water, each contribute uniquely to bodily functions. 1. Carbohydrates. Sources: cassava, yam, maize, rice, sugarcane, etc. Functions: primary source of energy for the body. 2. Proteins. Sources: fish, meat, milk, beans, fruits, etc. Functions: essential for building, repairing, and replacing worn-out tissues. 3. Fats and oils. Sources: animal oil, palm oil, butter, fish oil, etc. Functions: regulate body temperature and serve as a secondary source of energy. 4. Mineral salts. Sources: milk, meat, liver, vegetables, seafood, etc. Functions: ensure proper functioning of the body. 5. Vitamins. Sources: liver, eggs, milk, citrus, tomatoes, etc. Functions: provide protection against diseases. 6. Water. Sources: rain, springs, vegetables, fruits, tea, etc. Functions: facilitate digestion and maintain essential body fluids. Importance of food. 1. Eliminates hunger. Regular intake prevents hunger, ensuring the body's nutritional needs are met. 2. Entertainment. Food transcends utility, offering cultural and social enjoyment through diverse cuisines. 3. Source of income. Agricultural and culinary industries create job opportunities, contributing to economic growth. 4. Disease resistance. Nutrient-rich diets strengthen the immune system, aiding in the body's defense against illnesses. 5. Energy provider. Essential for daily activities, food supplies the energy required for physical and mental functions. 6. Recovery from illness. Nutrient-dense foods support the body's recovery and healing processes during times of illness. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.